Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the inverted front-facing camera on iPhone issue. So, first things first, go up to the camera app on your iPhone. For me it's in the home screen on the top right. Launch the app, and it's going to bring you to this page. Basically, when you take a picture and the issue is happening at the moment, it's on the front camera, front-facing camera. When you take a picture, I'll show you what it looks like. So you'll see the brown wardrobe is on my right here, and then in this picture it's on the left side. So how do we actually get the pictures to match up with what it looks like in front of us right here? What you need to do is go off the camera app, go to your settings, go all the way down to the camera app on your iPhone. Well, in the settings for me it's right the way down here. It's camera app, click in there. And then under composition, you'll see the three different options. The second one down says mirror front camera. You want to have that selected. You want to have that turned on. And when you go back, you can go into the camera app, take the photo, and if everything's correct, the brown wardrobe should be on my right side. And there it is there on the right side. Well guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe.